This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, power adjustable driver pedals, an off-road package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an integrated tailgate step, air conditioning, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, automatic locking wheel hubs, a bed liner, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.